An operation is an ongoing series of activities that are undertaken in order to produce a product or service. Operations involve the use of resources such as labor, equipment, and materials to produce goods or services on a continuous basis. Operations are typically a core part of organizations' business, and they involve the execution of routine and repetitive tasks that are necessary for the production of goods and services. Operations may be organized in a variety of ways depending on the specific needs of the organization that may involve the use of specialized equipment and processes. Some examples of operations include manufacturing operations. This type of operation involves the production of physical goods such as automobiles, appliances, or electronics. Manufacturing operations typically involve the use of specialized equipment and processes, and they may be organized using techniques such as lean manufacturing or just in time production. Service operations would include operations involves the provision of services to customers such as retail, healthcare, or financial services. Services operations typically involve the use of labor and other resources to deliver services to customers, and they may be organized using techniques such as service management or total quality management. Supply chain operations. This type of operation involves the coordination of the flow of goods and materials from suppliers to customers. Supply chain operations typically involve the use of logistics and transportation systems to move goods and materials from one location to another, and they may be organized using techniques such as lean logistics or demand driven supply chains. Overall, operations are an essential part of the organization, and they are critical for the production and delivery of goods and services. Operations management is an area that is outside the scope of formal project management as described in this guide. Operations management is concerned with the ongoing production of goods or and services. It ensures the business operations continue efficiently by using the optimal resources needed to meet customer demands. It is concerned with managing processes that transform inputs, example materials, components, energy and labor, into outputs, for example products, goods or services.